Welcome to my channel this morning. Hi, I'm going to talk about air suspension over the leaf spring suspensions. What are the advantages of air suspension? That's what we're going to discuss in this video. Welcome to my channel once again, and let's go straight down to the job. Air suspension is an opposite of old-fashioned traditional coil or leaf spring. It is the latest version of spring leaf suspension, and despite all the criticism leveled against it, there are so many advantages of air suspension over the leaf spring, and in this video I am going to analyze 4 different advantages of air suspension. So let us get it started now. What's the first one? The first one is driver comfort. Driver comfort. Hundreds and thousands of drivers plying the road, especially on long journey with leaf spring suspension, usually experience what is called NVH, which is N for noise, V for vibration, and H for harshness. These 3 elements are killer. Killer indeed. Is gradually killing the driver. Noise affects their hearing, and with time they could lose their hear. While V has to do with vibration. Vibration leads to fatigue, and which can make the driver feel tired and even sleep while on steering, and you know the effect of that. So that to show you the effect of leaf spring. Whereas air suspension reduce these 3 elements to the barest minimum. That's to tell you this advantage. It reduces the noise of the truck. It also reduces the vibration, also reduces the harshness. That's to tell you the advantage of it over leaf spring. What is the second one? The second one is it reduces tear and wear to the truck. You know, when your truck is vibrating, no doubt it both to driver, we said what it calls NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. But when it comes to truck, it also causes tear and wear. Technically, when something is vibrating mechanically, it affects the components. And for example, both the bolt and the nut get loose. And also, smooth suspension help tire and also for smooth movements. And this make your truck tire work longer because of air suspension over the leaf spring. Leaf spring, because of vibration and other things, it causes damages, especially to tire and other components in the truck. Let's talk about number 3, load versatility. When it comes to leaf spring, there are some load that it is not ideal for you to, if your truck is leaf spring, there's some load that is not ideal for that truck to carry. What do I mean? Look, for example, glass. If a truck with leaf spring carry glass, the vibration and other things can make the glass got broken. But if it is air suspension with smooth movement, it has the guarantee that your load will be safe. So I always advise air suspension when it comes to fragile goods. It's very versatile. It can carry any goods and it will level up the goods. Those are the advantages of air suspension over the leaf spring suspension. Thank you for watching me. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. We will see you in my next video. Thank you.